Hey guys, DJI is set for a big announcement on November 28th, and the big question is, what is it? Now, there are a lot of rumors about it being the Phantom 5. That's what we're all hoping for. Let's face it, DJI's drone company and the Phantom lineup could use a little refreshment. Now, there are two big reasons why we think it may be the Phantom 5. I'm going to get into that in a minute. And we are also going to hear a contrarian point of view at the end from Jack, my partner in crime. And we're going to see really what all the sides of this are. Is it really going to be the Phantom 5? So before I get started, I got to give a quick plug to a video I'm going to be working on. I got a ton of filters coming, guys. 4 different manufacturers. I'm going to test them all. I'm going to look at color. I'm going to look at the ND rating, polarization, anti-reflective coatings. I'm going to look at everything about these and find out, is it worth paying extra for these filters? Now, I'm already seeing some differences in the kind of packaging you get and also some of the capabilities of these filters. So make sure you stay tuned for that. It's going to be a full review. I got my work cut out for me. So stay tuned. I'll be right back to talk about the Phantom 5. Alright, so why do we think the Phantom 5 is coming? There's 2 main reasons. First of all, Phantom 4 version 2.0 out of stock. What is that all about, guys? Why would it go out of stock? You basically can't buy a Phantom 4 Pro anymore. Now you can get the Phantom 4 Advanced, which is basically the same drone. It just doesn't have all the obstacle avoidance, and the transmission frequency is a little bit different. But basically the same drone. You can still get that, and you can actually buy a replacement version 2 drone if you don't need the remote. The remote is out of stock, the package is out of stock. You can get a drone if you do crash your version 2 on DJI.com. But why is it out of stock? Why did they stop making the remote? Are they having problems, or is the Phantom 5 coming out? So that is the first thing pointing to the imminent release of the Phantom 5. What's the other reason? Well, we're hearing some rumors. We have some second, third, or fourth hand information suggesting that there are people out there testing the Phantom 5 right now as we speak. Not just the Phantom 5 Pro, maybe also Phantom 5 Advanced. We do understand that there are interchangeable lenses. As we all really knew, we've seen the Phantom 4 that was tweaked for that new lens format, and no real doubt in our minds that interchangeable lenses are coming. I mean, what else are you really going to do with the Phantom lineup at this point to really make some big upgrades there? So that's it. Those are the 2 main reasons. Rumors, second, third hand information. Can't tell you who we're getting that from, but we got that, and we got the fact that version 2.0 is going out of stock. Now, what is the Phantom 5? So interchangeable lenses, I mentioned that. That's going to be the big news. Sure, everything's going to be a little bit better, a little more range, a little more speed, etc., etc., etc. All that, not all that interesting to me, really. I don't need another 2 miles an hour out of my Phantom, but the camera, the interchangeable lenses, that's going to be the real story. What are we going to see? We're going to see some premium stuff, some Hasselblad branding. We'll probably see a lens kit coming with the Pro version, and I think a zoom. We're seeing 12 pins in between the lenses in the leaked images of what we think is a development project between DJI and Sony on a new lens format. And that is not what a micro four thirds format looks like. That's 11 pins, if I remember correctly, and all in a straight line. So new format, should be sticking with the 1 inch. If you're going 4/3, you're not going to need a new format. So probably going to be 1 inch. We're going to see a bunch of lenses. We know we're going to see a 50 millimeter. I'd throw a table up here right now, some calculations I did. Is it 50 millimeters equivalent, or is it 50 millimeters actual focal length on a 1 inch sensor? That would be quite a bit of magnification compared to the typical 24 to 28 millimeters we usually see from DJI for equivalent focal length. We may see some weatherproofing as well this time of year. It might be nice to know that the snowflakes sticking to your drone are not going to cause any major issues. It was snowing a little bit today here, and I was thinking I'd love to fly a drone, but I don't want it getting wet. I don't want to risk anything there. I'd definitely be a little bit more bold knowing my drone could survive a little bit of rain or snow. Other than that, I don't want to get too deep on the details and the conspiracy theories about what the Phantom 5 might be. Let's hear from Jack real quick on the contrarian point of view of what is going to be coming on November 28th.
Hey guys, no, I don't think it's a Phantom 5. I really wish that it was. I've got some ideas, and I think the most logical is probably that Osmo Pocket. I'll tell you about that and some other speculation that I have in my video.
Alright, so Jack thinks it's something else, and maybe he's right. He's got some good arguments. You got to check out that video. See that one? You're gonna have to check out Jack on our old channel, Half Chrome. He's posting the video up there. Now, if you want to see a lot more awesome videos, we're going to be migrating more and more over to the DroneDJ channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be testing these guys here in depth with my new DroneDJ image target, as well as some other imagery as well, hopefully. And you're not going to get that anywhere else, that level of detail I'm going to be doing with this review of the filters for the Mavic 2. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time.